Yeah, they have other colors.
Fantastic. We've spent no expense.
Yeah.
Please enjoy the park.
Thank you. Oh, so it is like a walk around. Yeah, it's like a photo op. Photo ops galore. I think this is
Oh, it's a good time here. Yeah. Oh, we're having a blast here. Hope everyone can join us. Psych! Don't come bother us. No more people, please. Please! Close the entrance then. There's enough.
They don't have Jeff Goldblum.
Too late. She's here. Engines stay behind me. Do not engage.
Breach the compound. Stay alert. The other Raptor will be close by. They never travel alone.
They Sulu's out, Sulu's out. Engine, you all need to give them space. If they feel threatened, they're gonna defend themselves. Stay on Zulu. Stay on Zulu. Pull your people back. Right now! Making it hard!
Personnel, engage Raptor emergency protocol.
Wait, watch out! We're gonna need your help! Everyone exceed one hand with your palm out! On the count of three, we're gonna say back. 1, 2, 3. Folks, we gotta show her who's boss one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Are you with me? Oh, wonderful. You're a brave group. I knew it. Now, before we head into the Forbidden Forest, we need to light our way. A Lumos spell should do the trick, I think. Everyone, get your wands ready, and we shall all cast Lumos. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Lumos! Very well done, everyone. Danger lies before us, while safety. Everyone, yes, come in. Yes, do stand here and make sure the pixies don't get away. Thank you. Oh, it's just as I suspected. Cornish pixies. Devilishly tricky. And on the count of 3, we shall all cast Immobile, the freezing charm. Aim at the pixies. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Immobile! Well done, everyone. 5 points to every house. And now we can put the Monster Book of Monsters to sleep by, as everyone knows, gently stroking. What do you want? Oh, I don't want to live to your life. No! Ronnie, axe away!
Say those who come loud now.
But we are searching for a lost hippogriff named Fleetwing. Have you seen her?
The stars speak, but I do not trust your path.
Don't worry, Fleetwing. We'll have you out of there in no time. Everyone, free her alone. I shall need all of your help. We must all cast, once again, Lumos Solem at the same time, and I do believe we will be able to free her. All right, everyone, get your wands and your courage ready. On the count of 3, all at the same time. 1, 2, 3, Lumos Solem! Everyone, you've done it! You've freed her! Yay! Everyone, we must greet the hippogriff in the proper way. We all must bow. Fleetwing, you need to fly back to the paddock now. And I shall guide this group back to Hogwarts. Well...
Sorry, that's
I summon the original Universal Monsters! Lights, camera, chaos! Dracula! Wolfman! The Bride! The Creature! Frankenstein's monster! The monsters are loose! The production is shut down! And the backlot belongs to me! Your dream of being in the film's finale is cancelled!
Devotion, determination, other words that are hard for me to spell. But I can see it. When you're a little older, or an amusement park, or a museum, all kinds of locations where mysteries happen. I can't. I like it. Very nice. I mean, that's basically my whole thing. So what do we think of gang?
Well, we saw that there was a staff badge. He
Okay.
could have typed it.
That's okay. We don't need to do that. We can just stop. What? What? Oh, blue.
Where?
There.
It's recording now. Yeah, I know. It's a little, it's for the lens. Yeah, kind of strange. Okay.
They said I have a voice for radio. Pretty excited about that. I think so too. Keep the accidentally stole one from someone else. That was given. So I didn't steal it. It was given. Well, that's not true even slightly, but we can't go.
George, hello. I was looking for you.
Oh, that's not exactly.
Hey, how about some sausages? Maybe you can turn them for me. Are you all right, buddy? You okay? Are my dogs okay? I think they're all right. Maybe I can interest you in the... Oh, you can smell it, huh? You got a discerning palate. Oh, I can see you drooling. Yeah, you're hungry. Okay. What about this? What do you think? You are drooling. You need one. No? This one. Well, you can't have it. You can smell it. No, I don't have any more of it. No, you can't have it either. No, not this one. Oh my. Whoa, buddy. Are you sure you... Pretty crazy how that works, huh? Philosophy that you not apply to my sandwiches. Do you want to be a sous chef?
Thanks to all of you, we have what we need to solve this mystery. The lantern in the graveyard. We used the monster chaos to smuggle priceless antiques and movie memorabilia. While everyone was distracted, he pulled off a backlot-sized heist.
Wait, so those weren't just props? Props? They're gold! Do you have any idea how much a collector would pay for the original mummy sarcophagus? Or Dracula's mirror?
For sure! Yes! Let's go! Alright, now I complete the spell of good times! Here we go. It was okay times, but yes, nonetheless. Have a great night!
Thank you.